class we have learned about the second lesson some topics. What are those topics, children? About HTML, hypertext, markup language. So we have detailed learned about HTML, and also we have learned about how to create a HTML program, how to open, how to view our document, what are the different types of web browsers and all. So how to save a document. These all things we have learned in our previous class. And one more thing to remember, children, while saving a HTML program, you have to save it. How like to save, children? So after typing of your program, click on save. So after in the save button, we'll get a dialog box. At that time, near the file name, we have to give the program name and we have to specify .html. It is an extension of an HTML program. These points are necessary while we are saving a program. And afterwards, how to view a program also we have seen. How to view, children? We have to open our web browser and we have to view. How like to view? Click on Ctrl+O or select open in the menu bar and click on browse and choose the location and choose the file what you have given. And then our program will be opened in our web browser, which means the output will be displayed in our web browser. And also we have learned about some elements, container elements and empty elements, different types of tags. Also we have learned in our last class. In this class, let's learn the remaining topics. What are the remaining topics here? Once look at attribute, header section, body section and basic structure of the HTML document. Let's see what is the means of attribute. So for example, if we open a chapter, in those we are having the topics. In that we are having the subtopics like that. In the HTML, if you use a tags, tag is nothing but a special word, special keywords. So if you want to specify, we have to specify with the tags. And these attributes are additional information. So these attributes, for example, if I want to give a line, how like I will specify? So line, HR, horizontal rule and the width. So if you want to draw, it is about 10 centimeters or 50 centimeters. How like you will draw? You will measure and you will draw. So you are having scale and then you will draw. And in the computer, how like it will draw? Then we will give the specifications. In the HR, so width is called an attribute of HR. In this we will specify a value, 50%. So this attribute is used to specify the value. Attribute contains two types. What are attributes? Contain two words, name and value. The name, what the tag contains the attributes, that attributes is called a name. And the value, the value may be case sensitive. What is the means of case sensitive, children? If any null value is there, so that one we have to specify it in the double quotes. If it is a value, numerical value, no need to specify in quotes, double quotes. That's why I did not specify it here. And if you want to give a word, that also you have to specify in the word. So this is nothing but an attribute. Attribute contains a name and value. That name you have to specify. Here HR is a width. Width is an attribute and 50% is a value. And next come to the next topic, head section. Head section means what, children? As I said, HTML program contains two parts, header section and body section. In the head part, we have to give the title. So when we open a web browser, in the title bar, it will display what website or what we have opened. Like that, if you want to create a website, it have to be shown that what is the title. In the header part,